Images can make your app look more professional, engaging, and visually appealing. Whether you're updating a logo, replacing a placeholder image, or customizing an existing design, Thunkable makes it easy to change images directly from the editor. In this video, I'll show you how to update an image in your Thunkable project using just a few clicks. Start by opening Thunkable in your web browser and signing into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the project you want to work on and open it. This will take you to the main editor where you can view and modify your app. After your project loads, take a look at the screen preview in the center of the editor. If your project already contains images, you'll be able to see them displayed within the app layout. These could be logos, banners, profile pictures, icons, product photos, or any other visual elements that have been added previously. To update an existing image, simply click on the image you want to replace. When selected, the image component will become active, allowing you to edit its properties and content. Once the image is selected, look for the option labeled Change. This option allows you to replace the current image with a new one without needing to remove the component from your screen. Click Change to continue. A file selection window will appear, allowing you to browse the images stored on your computer. Navigate to the image you want to use, select it, and confirm your choice. Thunkable will then upload the file and replace the existing image with a new one. After the upload is complete, you'll immediately see the updated image appear within the screen preview. This makes it easy to verify that you've selected the correct image and that it fits well within your app's design. If necessary, you can continue experimenting with different images until you find one that works best. Since the image component remains in place, changing visuals is quick and doesn't affect the rest of your layout. Updating images can be useful for a variety of reasons. You might want to replace a temporary placeholder graphic with a finalized design, update branding materials with a newer logo, swap promotional banners for seasonal content, or simply improve the overall appearance of your app. As your project evolves, regularly reviewing and updating images can help keep your application looking polished and current. Visual elements are often one of the first things users notice, so selecting high-quality images can significantly improve the overall user experience. Once you're satisfied with a new image, take a moment to preview your app and make sure everything looks the way you intended. This is a great opportunity to check image sizing, placement, and overall visual consistency across the screen. And that's how you can quickly replace an image in Thunkable. Simply open your project, select the existing image, click Change, choose your new image file, and Thunkable will update it instantly. It's a simple process that allows you to refresh the visual appearance of your app whenever needed.